Are you living with pains in your joints and the bone? And you often wonder why these are happening. So guys, it might be due to your weak bones, which is also known as osteoporosis. Bone weakness is also known as osteoporosis, and it can lead to many dangerous side effects like bone fracture, severe joint pain, shin pain, and all of these kind of body pain which might happen due to your weak bones. And people often wonder that, okay, I am taking so many of pills, why I am not getting better? So only pills will never cure your osteoporosis. Let's find out how to cure the osteoporosis in these 3 simple steps. First, exercises. Exercises put stress on the bones, and this kind of healthy stress is very important for the bone to take calcium from the blood and become strong. So it is very important that you do moderate exercises like jogging, running twice a week. Twice a week you can indulge yourself in some kind of sports like racket sports, or if you play cricket or maybe swimming, anything will do. Twice a week you should always do some kind of strength training in the gymnasium where you are lifting weights. So few of the exercises which are very important in making your bone strong in the gym, I am going to mention them. The first one is standing up from a chair position. Second is pelvic bridges. Third is hip extension, and the fourth one is plank hold. So even if you are doing these 4 exercises, these will make your bones very strong. Dietary changes. So to make the bone strong, we need calcium, we need vitamin D, and some amount of vitamin C and vitamin K. So it is recommended that you always take calcium from the food. The daily requirement is from 1000 mg to 1200 mg in adults. When we drink 1 glass of milk, it gives us around 300 mg of calcium. Calcium should always be taken from the food but not from the medication, because if you are taking a lot of calcium medication, then there is a lot of side effects. You are having kidney stones, having heart diseases, and these kind of calcium get deposited in different kind of body structure and they can damage it. So avoid taking calcium from the medicines and always take calcium from the food. Milk and milk products is a very rich source of calcium. There are so many other foods like kale, oranges, which are very good in calcium. Second is vitamin D. Vitamin D recommended dose is 60,000 international unit per week. So you can take any medication with this 60,000 international unit of vitamin D per week. You can take it for 3 months and then you take it once in a month basis so that you don't develop toxicity of vitamin D. For vitamin C and vitamin K, you can take some kind of medication for vitamin C and vitamin K which is freely available in the market. Things which you should avoid are drinking, smoking and lot of caffeine. So these 3 things will make your bones very weak. So it is best that we avoid these bad habits. Early diagnosis and treatment is very important, friends. So it is very important that if you are experiencing these kind of pains, and even after doing the dietary modification and the healthy lifestyle, you are still figuring out why the pains are not going away. So you need to consult your doctors right now.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.